Okay, let's go.
Attorney at law, more like
deal makers.
numbers.
ALLNOISE Records. The only record label you ever need.
ALLNOISE Records. ALLNOISE Records.
Welcome to Portland, Oregon. Home of legal weed, strip clubs, gentrification, and white guilt. Pretty good stuff, right?
Ah, yes. I love this place. I love this place so much.
ALLNOISE, let's hear that.
Very nice. Yummy.
ALLNOISE Records.
Yummy.
More like fine wine. Delicious. That's good music, right there.
Huh? Tell Justin Bieber Wednesday's no good. I have a sauna session. In the year 2017, Goldman Sachs estimated the music industry was a $62 billion business, and by the year 2030, that number will rise to $130 billion.
Numbers. The big three. Warner, Universal. What was the other one? Sony. Fuck those guys.
Fuck 'em.
You don't want nothing to do with them.
Nope.
Bad deal. That was a bad deal.
Bad deal. No go. Call it off.
Oh, excuse me. I didn't see you there. I was just reading about music. Pretty good stuff. Do you know about ALLNOISE? Let me tell you about ALLNOISE Records.
Here on ALLNOISE Records, we do punk,
Jazz,
hip-hop,
rap,
underground metal,
experimental,
house,
screamo,
jazz, smooth jazz.
acid jazz. Anything that you can think of. We do CDs, vinyl, cassette, online streaming. Let's get this back.
ALLNOISE Records.
It's us again. We also have the best record label ever. We have the best people and we make the most money and give them to our artists.
Why'd you let him buy that? Why'd you do that? Bad deal.
Too
All right,
specific.
let's
I think
go.
it's too
Never mind.
specific.
Cut it off.
Yeah,
Bad
cut
idea.
it off. Cut it
Bad
off.
idea.
I swear to God, if this record label doesn't work out, I'm going to fucking kill myself. I'm being honest. If this record label doesn't fucking work out, I'm going to jump out of an airplane. DIY. Music. DIY music.
Yo, Clet, come back. In 2019, independent music labels grew 58% on Spotify.
And independent artists only grew 48%. That's why you need a record label.
ALLNOISE Records.
ALLNOISE Records.
I smell a deal.
There I go. Running away from all my problems. Goodbye, trauma. Goodbye. Here comes the bag. I'm coming for the bag. Goodbye, drama. I'm coming for you, money. I love you, money.
What's that? Young Thug wants to sign? I'll be there in 20.
Help! We're rappers in a shitty deal. We don't know what to do.
Wait, I think I know what to do.
What?
Call ALLNOISE Records.
That's a great idea.
I'm definitely not an evil record executive that will steal your soul and your money and steal your family's money too.
Lamborghini. Rick Lamborghini.
I have a suitcase with documents.
Did you know that 30% of the US population use streaming services? Do you want your song on TikTok? We got you.
ALLNOISE Records.
It's just you standing on that guy's boat. He's standing on a boat out there. We should find someone who would let us, like, get on that boat.
Ah, look at us. Rich record executives doing cool rich record executive things. Look at us. Looking into the water. Ah, I'm gonna buy a boat next. I'm gonna buy a big boat.
Thank you for signing to ALLNOISE Records. This deal is done.